Good day, everyone. Today, I will be reporting about Twilight, a novel written by Stephanie Meyer and published on October 5, 2005. It's a fictional and paranormal romance novel that tells the story of a teenage girl named Bella Swan falls in love with a vampire named Edward Cullen. The story begins when Bella moves from Phoenix, Arizona to Forbes, Washington. At her new school, she meets Edward, a mysterious, attractive, and strangely distant guy. Bella eventually discovers that he's a vampire who resists his natural urge to drink human blood. Despite the anger, their relationships deepens. Things become more intense when other vampires come to town, putting Bella's life at risk. Edward and his family step in to protect her, and in the end, Bella survives and attends prom with Edward, choosing to stay in his world despite the risk. The book is emotionally intense and fast paced, especially appealing to young readers, including me. One of its strengths is how it reimagines vampires as complex and conflicted characters. However, Bella's passive nature and dependence on Edward can feel limiting at times. To show Bella's deep emotions, she says, I was unconditionally and irrevocably in love with him. And Edward, who is battling his darker side, says, and so the lion fell in love with the lamb. What a sick and masochistic lion. These quotes highlight the emotional depth and danger at the heart of their relationship, revealing how love and risk are tightly bound in the world. Thank you.